All right, let's get straight to it. 2012 Honda Accord. This is the 2.4 liter engine. Today I'm showing you how to replace your ignition coils. First thing we're gonna do is disconnect the negative battery terminal. It's a 10mm to get this terminal loose. So the spark plugs and the ignition coils are underneath here. So the first thing we gotta do is remove these 4 10mm bolts here, and that will remove this cover. It's a little tight right here. I'm already losing bolts, but it's easy to find. It's a little tight right here to getting that off. All right, so we got all 4 bolts for this cover to the side, and now we can see our 4 ignition coils. So now that we have the battery disconnected, we can disconnect these ignition coils. This tab right here, you pull this tab down, you hear the click, and you can go ahead and wiggle these off. So we're gonna get all 4 of these off real quick and come right back. Okay, once the harnesses are off, it's a 10mm bolt. So we can just use a 10mm socket and get these up. And then, of course, we can start to pull the ignition coils up. It's easier to go side to side as you pull them up. It kind of breaks it free. And now we've exposed our old spark plugs. So I'm assuming you got new ignition coils, so this is the time to put your new ones in. So we're gonna start by putting our first one in here. And make sure you get them to press down nice and snug on those spark plugs. All right, so before I get these screwed down, I'm going to plug them in. That way I can move them around if I need to get a better angle at these plugs. All right, now that they're all clicked in, I can get these screws dropped in from the top. Now we can slide this cover back on the same exact way we got it out. This piece here was a problem last time, so I might have to lift that up, get that in there. All right, so now we can put our bolts back for the top. There's 4 bolts that go inside of here. Now we can put our battery terminal back on. Well, that's it, guys. That's the end of the job.